I'm gonna take a big, messy, very attractive bite. Today, we're making toast. Toast we're gonna eat for dessert, and not just any toast, it's Nigel Slater's raspberry ripple toast. So I did a little Wikipedia research last night, and apparently ripples are just swirls in ice cream. I think it's a term that was invented around the 1930s in the US, and it started with weirdly date ripple ice cream, but anything can be a ripple, I guess. Okay, let's mash some berries. These berries, we're lucky that it's August right now and they're at the farmer's market. I mean, they're like so dark red and beautiful. I'm just gonna show you. These are ones that we got at the supermarket. They will work fine too. These are gonna be so amazing. They're gonna taste so strongly of raspberry. So we're gonna put those away and we're gonna use just these. And the great thing about this recipe is that it has 0 amounts in it. You can use exactly as many as you want. And all you do is just mash them up with a fork or a potato masher. And you're just trying to get them to be like good and juicy and swirlable or rippleable, I guess. Okay, I think that's looking kind of ripple friendly. So I need to whip some cream. My cream. Thanks, Sam. I like doing this by hand for an extra arm workout, but you could totally do this in an electric mixer. It's gonna be kind of annoying for me to talk at the same time, so I'll be back just 1 second. Droopy peak, I guess. Oh, look at that. That's a soft peak. So that's like my dream whipped cream. Nigel has you sweeten it with superfine sugar or confectioners sugar, and it's just to taste, so I'm just gonna do a little bit. And splash of vanilla, also to taste. But you could do whatever you want with the whipped cream. You could add zests. You could add creme fraiche or sour cream to make it a little tangy. You could not add anything at all and just have it be really plain unsweetened cream. So I think it's important not to overdo it here. You want it to stay kind of streaky so that way you can run into these little pockets of tart, juicy raspberry and then the cold cream, and they kind of play off each other, and then you get the little swirls where it's a little bit of both. This is folding. Basically, folding is just like cut through and swoop around. Whew. I mean, that's all I really want to do. And now the toast. We do it like this. Yeah. Toasters are great. I don't have a toaster at home. I don't have room. I live in a New York City apartment. This is it. Yeah. Thank you. Which one? This one. To what setting? How to use a toaster, 101. The first time I tested this, I didn't do it in the test kitchen. It wasn't official. I literally was going to a dinner party and I needed something, and I thought, what's a genius dessert that I can test on these people? I went to the grocery store, grabbed a loaf of bread, a pint of raspberries and a pint of cream, and I just showed up, and I hoped that they had sugar and vanilla. And you just want to go while it's warm, while that's still cold. I mean, look at this. Why are we not eating toast like this? I'm gonna take a big, messy, very attractive bite. I don't know what that reminds me. It reminds me of something, but I can't figure out what it is. Can you guys come eat this with me? Anything? Nothing?
Hey, I mean, it's like pastry
Yeah.
that you didn't have to do much work for.
Yeah.
Good.
Except.
Really good.
It's making me very happy.
Thank you guys for showing me how to use a toaster.
Yeah.
Think you could handle that? Would you like some toast?